In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Shopify HTML. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your Shopify admin, how to find the right theme files, and how to safely make and save your changes using both HTML and Liquid. First, log into your Shopify admin, make sure you're in the correct store and that your account has permission to edit themes. A quick best practice before you begin, consider duplicating your theme so you have a safe backup. That way, if a change doesn't work out, you can quickly roll back. Once you're in the admin, look to the left sidebar and click Online Store. This is your gateway to everything related to your storefront, including themes, pages, navigation, and more. If you manage multiple sales channels, Online Store will appear under the Sales Channels section. Next, select Themes. You'll see your current live theme at the top and any additional themes in your theme library. Editing the live theme updates your storefront immediately, while editing a draft theme lets you refine changes before publishing. Now click the three dots beside the theme you want to modify and choose Edit Code. This opens Shopify's code editor where all your theme files are organized by type. You'll see folders for layout, templates, sections, snippets, and assets. Open the file you want to edit. If you're adjusting overall structure or meta tags, you'll usually look in Layout, commonly theme.liquid. For page-specific layouts like product or collection pages, check Templates. For modular, reusable content blocks, explore Sections. Snippets contain small pieces of reusable code, and assets house your CSS, JavaScript, and image files. Use the search bar at the top of the editor to quickly find file names or variables. Make your changes using HTML for structure and Liquid for dynamic content. Liquid uses double curly braces to output values like /product.title files and tags within percent for logic, loops, and conditions. Be careful not to remove critical placeholders such as content for header or content for layout, which Shopify uses to render essential parts of the page. If you need to test or disable code temporarily, you can use HTML comments or Liquid comment tags. Keep your formatting tidy and make one small change at a time so issues are easier to spot. When you're done, click Save. Shopify will validate your edits and flag syntax errors. After saving, refresh your storefront to see the update if you edited the live theme. If you edited a draft theme, your changes will appear when that theme is published. And remember, small incremental edits and a theme backup make theme customization much safer and smoother.